Hey YouTube, it's me Jose, and today I will be showing you how to replace the factory speakers in a 2016 Dodge Charger SE. So I'm going to start off by showing you how to change the speakers from the door. And in order to get to the door speakers, you need to remove the door panel. And in order to do that, you need to remove a small plastic cover that goes right here behind the door handle in order to be able to get to a screw that's hidden. Once you have done that, then you could go right here, pop this off, unhook that harness, and then go right here. There's this little space right here. This is another plastic cover that you're gonna have to pop off in order to get to a screw that's somewhere around here. After you've done that, you'll need to unscrew that screw, and then what you're gonna want to do is push this in order to be able to take this out, and then you'll be able to pop off the door panel. You're just gonna pull this out and then push up in order to remove this door panel. So after you remove the door panel, the inside of the door should look something like this, with the speaker being right here, and it is held by 4 screws that can only be taken out by hex keys, so you'll need a set of those if you're going to try and take this out. But after you remove the speaker, this speaker's hooked up to the car using this harness right here, and well, as you can tell, this speaker isn't very good. It's only 15 watts, 4 ohms. I mean, for a factory speaker, it actually sounds pretty good. So what you're gonna want to do, if you want to put in aftermarkets, is cut off this harness and put on some connectors that will hook up to these terminals. To get to the back speakers, you're gonna have to remove this cover, and in order to do that, you're gonna have to pull this, and this button should just pop out, and on this side as well, just pull and it should pop out. And then what you're gonna do is just pull this and it should come out just like that. Then the speakers should be right there and right there. Then there's a little slot right there for a subwoofer, probably 8-inch.